So we're going to make Frankenstein pudding cups. So we're gonna scoop it out, with my Frankenstein spatula. Oh look, there's his hair. And then I just take a permanent marker and draw on the face. Oh, a little stitch. Frankenstein pudding cup. Oh, look at that, messy hair, don't care. And that's Frankenstein, 2 ways. So we're gonna take cups, and you need cups with lids. So we're gonna fill it with grapes. Then we're gonna take our adhesive foam cord, and then we're gonna use our pinking shears to make fringy bangs for Frankie baby. So we're gonna give him a little squiggle mouth. Frank! We're gonna turn this shot glass, yes, it's a plastic shot glass with a lid from the party store, into Frankenstein.
Never have you known such cringing terror, such sudden shock.
You see him? You see a little Frank?